Hi, I'm criminal defense attorney Aaron J. Boria, and on today, episode 3 of Quick Michigan Legal Tips, I'm going to talk to you guys about the 7411 statute. The boring part about the 7411 statute is that it falls under the Public Health Code, but the cool and exciting part is that if you are charged with a drug possession crime, 7411 allows you to avoid a criminal conviction and get a sealed record so that no one knows about it. 7411 allows you to seal a public criminal record and not have a conviction on both prescription drugs like Xanax as well as street drugs like cocaine or heroin. So how does 7411 work? What happens is it's kind of used like a plea tool. Essentially, you would admit to being in possession of a controlled substance that you didn't have any business being in possession of. And the court, without entering a guilty plea on the record, it will defer the proceedings and place you on probation. You are given the benefit of the doubt right away. And from that point forward, your record is sealed and no conviction actually enters. As part of the probation, you should expect some drug treatment, possibly some drug testing, and other standard terms of probation like paying a fine, maybe community service, things of that nature. But while on probation, the benefit is yours to lose. That record is sealed. Once you've completed probation, the case remains sealed. No one finds out about it. Employers, schools, the like, they don't find out about it. And when you fill out a job application, you don't tell them about it. That's the benefit of 7411. So what happens if you violate your probation while you're on 7411? Well, if that happens, a judge does have discretion to remove the special statute, remove that special status you have, your conviction enters, and the record becomes public. The other bad thing about that is that in drug possession cases, the Secretary of State will suspend your driver's license. When you have 7411 status, the Secretary of State doesn't find out about the charge, so you don't lose your license. But if you violate your probation and the judge takes away the 7411, then Secretary of State finds out and they suspend your driver's license, so try not to violate. 7411 is only available for first-time offenders, and it's got to be a possession charge. It can't be manufacturing or distributing. And if you had a drug charge before, but you didn't have the benefit of 7411, and you get a new drug charge now, you still can't use 7411. It has to be used on your first and only drug charge in order to get the benefit of it. I'm criminal defense attorney Aaron J. Boria, and if you've been charged with a crime, call me today, 734-453-7806, or shoot me an email at borialaw@gmail.com. I am happy to fight for you, and I hope you enjoyed episode 3 of Quick Michigan Legal Tips.